Welcome to the world of Salesforce. Today is the day 41 class where we are going to discuss introduction to approval process. Right? So introduction to approval process. So what is an approval process? So it is like an automation process only. Right? Mainly it is used for approvals. Okay. So let us say a small example for it in order to understand. So let us say one candidate, right? A candidate attended an interview, right? Candidate attended an interview. Okay. So let's say it is a round one interview. Okay. So if he selected in the round one, that means the management will approve, right? So approved for means he is qualified for round one. Okay. If he is qualified, then obviously the next process is providing an offer letter, right? Providing an offer letter. Else he is get rejected. Else rejected. This is a simple approval process, which we can easily understand, right? So whenever any candidate attended an interview, so there is a one round of interview is there. So if he qualified in the interview, then obviously offer letter will be provided. Else, he get rejected, right? So if it is yes, if it is no, there is a simple approval process, right? So there is a one more approval process also. That means multi-step approval process. So for example, here approved for round one, then immediately another round is going to conducted, right? He is qualified for the round two again, right? In the round two, if he rejected means again he's got rejected. If he qualified in the round two means like next to following round will be HR round, like this multi-step. If there is a multi-step approval process, how we are going to see this, right? So with the help of few examples, we are going to see this simple approval process and also multi-step approval process. And we can also see this, how we are going to call this approval process in a flow, right? That is the reason which I have covered flow, right? Initially I have covered flow. So now you can call this approval process from a flow also. Okay. So what is the simple approval process? And what is this multi-step approval process? That means different stages, then different managers needs to be approved. Okay. So let us take one example for it. So in a simple approval process, mm, let me take an opportunity object. Okay, opportunity object. So whenever any opportunity given to any customer, right? Whenever any opportunity given to any customer. So obviously he asked for a discount, right? So whenever you visited to any shop, right? So the shopkeeper will say that, okay, this is the amount. If you want to purchase a particular, for example, let's say a TV. Okay, if you want to go and purchase a TV, so he that the TV cost will be 50,000 rupees. So now you are asking for a discount of 10% or 20%. Then he will say that the sales representative will say that, okay, I need to discuss with my management. So I can manage up to 1 to 5% of discount only. Right? Apart from 5%, above 5%, the manager needs to be approved. Right? So up to 5%, that means simple approval process. He can approve it. So above 5%, the management needs to approve. So again, he goes to the manager and he said that, okay, he is the regular customer and he is the trusted customer. He will give the good feedback. So like this, he went to the management, right? So he will take the approval from the management, that approval of 10%. So again, the customer will ask about 20% discount, right? So that means the manager needs to go to the senior manager level or CEO level. Like this, a multi-step approval process is also there, right? So those things we are going to see. Let's say, for example, I am going to prepare a discount, right? I am going to provide a discount in an opportunity fee. So for this, what we require here in this approval process, there is even prerequisites are there. So the first one is So what we require here in this approval process means email templates. Already we have covered this topic. Email templates. Okay. In this email templates, we need three email templates. In order to show this as an example, so we need three email templates. We will create quickly these three. So one is approval assigned to some other person, like so approval needed from the manager, right? So if he approves, approved email to be sent. If he rejected email should be sent. Right? Approval assignment should be done, and approved mail to be sent to the opportunity owner, and rejected mail sent to the opportunity owner. Okay. So these are the elements which we require in the approval process. So we are going to create these three first of all email templates. And also I said the discount rate in an opportunity. Let's go into the opportunity. Let go here. Go to opportunity, opportunities. You see here, what is the total amount here? See, amount is some 2,35,000 euros is there. So for this amount, the customer asking the Burlington Textiles asking for a discount, right? He raises for a discount, then immediately this particular record should go for an approval. So that means I should prepare a discount field in this opportunity, right? Whether the discount is approved or rejected, so whatever the status it may be. So the discount status also I need to show in this opportunity. The two fields are not there here as of now. So for this, I am going to create a two fields, edit object, quickly create two fields. Okay, go to fields and relationship. So new field. So what will be the data type for the discount? So it may be the, where is this? Discount will be the percentage, 10%, 20%. Yeah, see here, percent. Right, click on next. So here, discount percent. Okay, discount percent. So length will be up to 3 characters. Okay, no decimal places. 5%, 10%, 20%. That's it. So click on next. Apply the field level security. Next and save and new. So one more field which I require here. What is that? Pick list field. Status. So which is nothing but discount status. Okay, discount status. Enter the values here. So as of now, I am entering the values as submitted for approval. Okay, submitted for approval and manager approval. Manager approval pending and manager approved. So the and submitted, right? Sorry, not submitted, approved. Okay, rejected and recalled. Recalled. Okay, if I unknowingly submitted the approval process, again I need to recall it. So I don't want to submit the approval process. So we can recall it. So the status needs to be updated here. Recall. So this is for a simple approval process. Now I want to add some multi-step approval process also in this single pick list status. So let me add here senior manager approval pending. Okay, well, this is for multi-step approval process. Okay, when we discuss this multi-step approval process, then we are going to add all these things. Okay. So for time being, I'm adding now itself. Senior manager approved. Multi-step means add one more. Let's say VP approval pending. approval pending, VP approved. Next, let's say CEO approval pending. Okay, next one is CEO approved. And in the vice president also, let me add senior vice president SVP approval pending. SVP approved. Okay. These are for the these quick values for the multi-step approval process. As of now, we are going to see only these three: submitted, approved, rejected, recalled. That's it. This is for a simple approval process. Okay. Just click on next and save it. Next. Next. Save it. That's it. So the prerequisite is ready. Discount fields are ready. Okay. Now go to our setup. In this quick find, check for the approval process. See here in the process automation. Initially I said that it is a automation process only, right? So in the process automation, we are having the option approval process. Okay. So manage approval process for which object? So for opportunity object. Now you can see here. So as of now, no approval process are there. So create new approval process. Here we are having create new approval process. So when you click on this, here we are having two options. Use Jumpstart Wizard, use standard setup wizard. What are these two things? Right? Use Jumpstart Wizard means it will bring all the details in one place. When you click on this, so directly it is going to jump into one place. So directly you can select the name, unique name, and the entry criteria and who is the approver. That's it. Save it. So it is going to bring all at one place. Right? So if you go to maximum 90% of the people directly use this jumpstart wizard only. Okay. There is a one more step is there. Use standard setup wizard. Okay. Use standard setup wizard. So what is this? So it will guide us step by step. So this is also can be used here in the approval process. So standard, if anyone wants to go step by step, step by step, step by step, the whole things will tell us here. Like see here, this is step 1 out of 6. But if you go back in the jumpstart wizard, directly all things will be at one place only. Okay, if you want to select the email templates, see here, email templates is there. So if you want to add submit for approval button, so this adding of submit approval buttons, adding of email templates in the standard wizard, it is will be step by step. So it is a step 3, is a step 4, name providing a name is a step 1. So specifying the enter criteria is step 3. So selecting an approval is the last step. Right? Like this, we are having in a different steps. These things we can see in a different steps in a standard setup. Right? But here in the jumpstart wizard, all these steps are in a single page. Okay. All will bring up in a single, all the details at one place we can see here. Directly we can save it. In a single page, we can view the information and we can save it. Okay. So see, if you see here in the jumpstart wizard also, we need to select the email templates. So first of all, just create quickly the email templates. Email template. Then we can come back to this process builder and we can create it. Okay. Let me create a new folder. Opportunity discount approval template. Approval folder. Okay. Opportunity discount approval folder. Okay. Right. Let me save this. Let me create a new template here. New email template. So for the 3 templates, I need to use approval assigned, approved, rejected. Total 3 templates should be there. So email template name should be opportunity approval assigned, right? So let me add here opportunity approval assigned. Okay. So entity type is opportunity. Opportunity. Okay. This select our folder. That is the full opportunity discount approval folder. Select the folder. So if you want to add it in description, you can add or else leave it. Come down subject. What will be the subject? An opportunity has been assigned for discount approval. Okay, just click on the save it. So we can create the body. So after creating this email template, let's just add the body here. Just click on edit, come down. So what will be the body here? Mm, an opportunity. Hi, so and so. Hi. An opportunity. An opportunity. Let's say opportunity, right? Opportunity name I need to add. Say, I select the merge field. Opportunity name. Opportunity name. Click on insert. Okay. Opportunity name has been assigned for approval. Has been assigned for approval. Here here are more details about opportunity. Here are more details about opportunity. So name, next one is let's say amount, close date. Let me add a few fields. That's it. Stage and mainly the discount. Discount, right? So bold it. So here name will be the merge fields. Copy this name. Copy, paste it here and merge fields, amount, opportunity, amount. Next one, close date, opportunity, close date. Next, okay. Next one is stage, okay. Discount percent, okay. Because that's it. Okay. So here you can write, you can reply. This concept we can discuss further. Approve directly from the email itself. We can approve or reject instead of going to the admin or instead of going to the manager record and there you can approve or reject it. So directly from the email itself you can do it. So those things we are going to discuss in the further classes. So to this email for automatic approval. That's for automatic approval. Okay. Thanks and regards. Sales team. Okay. So this is what I need to send. Click on save it. Done. Completed. Okay. Completed. So let me clone this. So this is for opportunity approval assigned, right? So next clone it. Clone it to a new template opportunity approval approved. Approved. Select the folder, our folder. Next come down. Has been opportunity discount approval approved. Okay. Here you can write simply hi, congratulations like this simply. Okay, simply come down. Congratulations. Okay, congratulations. An opportunity has an opportunity discount has been approved, right? An opportunity discount has been approved. Okay, here are more details about opportunity. That's it. Save it. No, this sentence not required, right? You can reply approve or reject or not, nothing. Hmm. So here directly this message needs to be sent to the opportunity owner. Click on save. And you can write it here, opportunity owner also. Hi, so and so opportunity owner. Let me add the merge fields. Opportunity owner. Okay. Or if you want to select any name itself, you can write it here. All these things. Next, click on save. Approved. Next. Again, clone it. Immediately create one more template. It is approval rejected. Rejected. Select our folder. Come down. Approval rejected. Okay. Come down. Remove this. Unfortunately has been rejected. Okay. So unfortunately, this particular opportunity has been rejected. Here are the more details. That's it. Click on save. Okay. So what are three email templates which we have created here? See, email template is the first process. So which we require in order to create approval process. It is not a mandatory, but we need to create in order to send the emails. Okay, email template is ready. So these three email templates which I have created and a discount fields also created. Now let us go to our approval process. Click on setup. Go to our approval process. Okay, let me select if you select the jumpstart wizard directly, you can see all these things in one page, right? So let me go to standard setup wizard and I will show you how to create the standard setup wizard. There are 6 steps are there. Right? In the jumpstart wizard directly only one step and we click on it and save it. But here 6 steps are there. Let me see one by one here. So process one, process name here. What is the process name? Opportunity discount approval process. Opportunity discount approval process. So this is the name. Click on next and see here specify entry criteria. What will be the entry criteria? When this approval process should go for approval, right? To approve to the manager. When should it get fired? So I am going to provide the discount. So up to what I said, right? Up to 1% or up to a minimum percentage, I can provide the discount. But for the manager approval, I need to give some amount, right? Then only it should go for an approval. Let's say the opportunity discount percentage is greater than or equals to 5%. 5% means 0.05. Right? If it is a 5%, then only it should go for more than 5%, then only it should go for an approval. So the less than 5%, directly sales representative can provide. So no need to go for an approval. Directly who is going to dealing all these things, opportunities. So they can close the deal. But if it is above 5%, the customer is asking for the above 5%, then it should go for an manager approval. Okay. And when this discount field should come, when opportunity amount should not be equal to null, then only the discount will be there, right? So opportunity not equals to null. That's it. Okay. So opportunity discount greater than 0.05 and it should not be null. That condition, so we can keep it here. Opportunity discount percentage not equals to null. Okay. Discount not equals to null and should be greater than 0.05. Okay, and amount not equals to null. Then only it should fire. Approval process should fire. Just click on next. If you want to add any filter logic, that means end conditions or conditions. So all these things we can add it here. Okay, or else leave it. Click on next. So see here, what is the condition? 1 and 2 and 3. So these three conditions should be followed, right? Discount percent should not be equal to null, greater than 0.05, and amount not equals to null. Click on next. So this is the step 3. So next automated approver determined by. Who is the next? Select fields for used for automated approval routing. Okay. So here you can see use approved field on opportunity owner. See here directly standard user field. As of now, there are no other fields are there. Custom user fields are not there. So only manager. Manager comes under the my user under my user object. Let me click on setup. Go to my user detail. Okay. If you see here manager. So manager option is there. So directly it should go for to approval for this manager. Okay. So let me click on edit. Come down. So see here, receive approve request emails only if I am an approver. So who is the manager here? Let me add only 3 persons are there, right? Mm, we add one more person. I think a lead Salesforce is also there, right? Lead Salesforce. Save it. Okay, let me go to the trainee also. Trainee Salesforce user. So under this edit, I'm adding myself as a manager to it. Dhanaraj admin. Let me save it. Okay. Now managers are added to the users. So there are 3 users in my system. So managers are added to my to these users. So let me add here. So next automated approval determined by whom? The manager. Next automated approval. Okay. So I'm selecting here the manager. If there are number of user fields are there, like custom user fields are there. So one is the manager, a senior manager, a CEO. So you can select those fields under the custom user fields. As of now, only manager, standard user field manager is there. So I'm selecting this manager. See, there are two options is there. Record editable properties. Administrators can only edit records during approval process. What is this? So whenever any record is sent for an approval, no one has right to edit the record. Right? That means the record gets locked. Only admins can edit the record. Right? As of now, I am the system admin, so I can edit the record. But the remaining 2 users are there, right, in my system. So those are unable to edit the record because the record will get locked. Right? Let me show you those things. Or see here, administrators or the current assigned approver. Whoever is the approver is there, they can edit the record. Or else leave it. Okay? They are going to edit the record or administrators. But I am selecting administrators only can edit the record. Okay, let's click on next. See, email template, approval assignment email template. This is for assignment, right? So I am selecting, go to lightning, opportunity discount, assign. See here. Okay, this is the email template I am selecting. Click on next. What are the fields should be displayed on the approval process? So if you go for it, see here, this is the approval request page. Right? So in this approval request page, what are the fields are there if you want to see on this page? Whenever the manager wants to see, so opportunity name, account name, what is the amount, what is the discount percentage. If you want to show to the manager, yes, you can add the details here. The manager can see all these details and he click on approve or reject. Right? And if you want to track the history, there will be one more option, approval history. Right? To whom it get assigned. See, approval request first initially submitted and manager got approval. Next, executive approval like this. This is the multi-step approval. So for now, this is the manager. Up to here, we are creating. Okay. So let me come back, come down. Opportunity name, owner. Let me add account name, mandatory amount. So these are the fields the manager needs to see, right? Close date and mainly the discount. Okay, what will be the stage name if you want to add it? Okay, now come down. See here, display approval history information. This one, the approval history information. If you want to see approval history information, yes, you can able to see. Okay, approval history information. Next, security settings. Allow approvers to access approval page only within the Salesforce application. So it is the recommended step. Okay, just click on next. Now come down. Who is the initial submitter? This is the step 6 of 6. Who is the initial submitter? Okay. Who is the initial submitter? Opportunity owner is the initial submitter. Whoever is the owner of this opportunity, he is going to submit for an approval. Now come down. Come down. See here. Add the submit for approval button and approval history related list for the approval opportunity page layout. So directly when you click on this checkbox, it is going to add one more button here. Submit for approval button will be there. So here manually I am submitting the approval. So in the next class, we are going to see how to send automation. Right? Automatically when this particular criteria met, so it should go for an approval. But for now, this is a simple approval process, right? So I am adding one button, submit for approval button, and as well as approval history. Okay, to the page layouts. So I am adding this. And this is the one more option here, yellow submitted to recall. For suppose unknowingly I submitted the request and now I thought that, okay, I need to recall the request approval process. So immediately there is an option. You can recall the request as well. Click on save. See, total 6 steps are there. Right? Now here one more option. What is that? What would like to do? Yes, I would like to create an approval step now. Or you can do this later also. Approval steps are, I will show you what are the approval steps. So this will mainly comes from the multi-step if you want to add multi-step approval process, then you can use this. So I am showing that I will do this later. Okay. So directly it will redirect to the approval process. Click on go. Now see here. So as of now, this is the inactive approval process. Open this. Let me activate it. See here. So this is the approval process page. Process name, unique name, record editability, only admins can edit. Email template, this is the email template, initial submitters owner, right? Now click on edit. See all the end, what if you want to see entry criteria, notification templates, page layout, all these things are there. And if you come down, see here, there are, as of now, there are no any approval steps. Okay, now let us see one by one. Initial submission action. Whenever the approval process is submitted, so there is an option record lock. Not option, directly the record gets lock the record from being edited. Only admins can edit that is why there is a one option, record editability option, right? I have given the option as admins only. So whenever the record is submitted, that means I have given 6% of discount. So immediately it should go for an approval process and the record gets locked till the record is approved. Then only anyone can edit the record. Okay, a record lock. And I need to update something here. What is that? In the field update, I have created discount status field, right? Just add new. There are some number of options are there, right? See, flow is there, outbound message, field update, email alert, task. If you want to create a task, if you want to create an email alert. So all these things are there. Now I want to create field update. Opportunity submitted for approval. Okay, which field to update here? Discount status. Click on next, come down. See what will the specific value? Yes, submitted for approval. Right? A specific value. Initially, whenever it is the record should lock, right? So whenever the record is submitted for approval, the status should change it to submit for approval. And the record gets locked. Save it. Now come down. See here, recall actions are there, final rejection are there. Okay, let me add the recall action. In the recall action also, record lock. See, unlock the record for editing. Here, whenever the submitted for approval, it is locking the record. Come down. Whenever you unknowingly you can recall the actions. So if you recall the actions, it will unlock the record. Now click on add new, field update. Here you can write opportunity recalled. Okay, what is the field? Discount status. Come down, recalled. Okay, click on save. That's it. Now come here. So final rejection and final approval. What are these two? So final approval. So I need to send an email if it is approved or if it is rejected. I need to send an email, right? So whenever it is submitted, see, submitted means approval assignment. So the manager will receive the email. Right? Hi, this is the approval process assigned to you. Please approve or reject. So if it got approved, then opportunity owner should get an email that so your opportunity got approved. If it is rejected, your opportunity got rejected. Those two email templates will be added here. That is the reason I have created three email templates. So one will be used for assignment completed, and the second is for email alert. See here, email alert. Right? Now send approval email for opportunity discount. What is the email template? Approved, right? Click on lightning, come down, approved. Okay. So to whom I need to send? Opportunity owner. So click on this owner of opportunity. Okay. So, okay, current user's email address, click on save. That's it. Now come down. So email alert is ready. Again, the status should change, right? So after approval, so click on field update also. So here, update opportunity discount approved. Okay, discount status change to approved. Okay, save it. That's it. Now come down. Final rejection action. Rejection means I need to send an email alert. If it is rejected, immediately an email alert should be sent to the opportunity owner. So send rejection email for opportunity discount. Okay. So what will be the email template here? I need to select the third rejected. So three templates I have used, right? Now let me send to the owner of opportunity. Click on save. And one more field update also should be there, right? Final rejection also field update. Which field should be updated? What is this? Opportunity discount rejected. Okay. Discount status got rejected. Save it. So all the simple approvals, all the statuses we have used. Submitted for approval you have used, approved, rejected, recalled. See all the steps we have covered. This is for submission, this is for approval, this is for rejection, this is for recall. Approval steps here. So what is the approval step here? Right? So there will be number of approval steps. So add new approval step. So when this approval step is firing, right? When it is going to fire, entry criteria is discount is greater than 0.05 and amount not equals to null, right? So now come down, add approval step here, new approval step. So what will be the name here? Opportunity discount approval, right? So this is the step number one. This is the step number one. So click on next. So now come down. All records should enter this step or specific records should enter this step. No, I don't require all the records. In the opportunity, there will be millions of records will be there. So I don't know all the records should enter this step. Only if the entry criteria matches. So what will be the entry criteria? So if the criteria meets, right, then it is going to the particular approver or else it is going to approve the record. Right? Else approve the record. See here, there are two options, approve the record or reject the record. Okay, if the criteria is met, then it is going for the manager approval or else simply it is going to approve the record. Okay, that means if the, for example, if the discount is less than 5%, that means 1%, 2%, 3%, directly it get approved. So no need to wait for the manager approval. So if the record is greater than 5%, then only it should go for the manager approval. Right? Who is the who will be the approver? So here select the opportunity discount is greater than or equals to 0.05. Okay, 0.05. Click on next. Next, who will be the approver? Select approver. So let the submitter choose approver manually. That means whenever the submit for approval is button and I click on that button, I need to select the approval. Who will be the approver? Or automatically assign the using the user field. That means whoever is the manager automatically assign the user field selected earlier. Right? See, that means whoever is the manager is there. Previously in the previous step, we have selected this option. Right? Whoever is the user manager is there, directly this approval is going to assign to that manager. Or if you want to assign approvers manually, see here to whom I need to assign. To automatically assign approvers to, let's say, user will be Dhanaraj. Let me select this. Dhanaraj admin. Okay. So this particular approval should assign to me. Okay. Next, click on save. That's it. Completed. Yes, I would like to create a new approval action. No, I will do this later. Click on go. See, now activate. See, activate button is there. Right? Previously, the activate button is not there because we have not added approval steps. If there are multi-step approval, well, just we are going to add step 2, step 3, step 4. That's it. So as of now, only one step is there. So I have added the approval step. Now just activate this. Click on OK. Done. See here, it is activated. Right? It is activated. Now go for any opportunity record. Let me go to the any opportunity record. Burlington Textiles. Let me change the owner. Trainee. Let me take the trainee. Change owner. So when the new owner needs read permissions. Okay, I have rejected all the permissions, right? So if I'm the admin means I'm unable to show this all these things. So let me add lead. I think for lead also is not provided, right? Let me change this. Go back to setup. Let me give permissions to trainee first of all. Trainee. The lead. Lead is also lead Salesforce user. Edit this. So Salesforce license, I'm removing the Salesforce license. Platform. Okay. Save it. Let me provide, go back to trainee. Okay. Edit this. Remove this platform and Salesforce license profile as standard user. Save it. Okay. Now go back to Burlington Textiles. Edit this. Refresh the page. Okay. Edit this. So change to trainee. Change owner. Done. Now it is changed. Now come down. So what is the discount? Where is the discount fields? Not added in this layout, right? Okay, let me add the discount fields in this layout. Go to edit page. Select fields. Okay. Details. Upgrade. Click on next. Opportunity layout. Finish. Okay. Now let me add the discount. Yeah, discount it is there. Okay, now save it. fields, save it, activate it. Assign as Orca default, desktop, save it. Okay, done. Now go back. Go to details, come down, see here, discount fields are there. So now enter the discount as, for example, 6%. 6% I am going to provide. Okay, 6%. Click on save. So see here, I have not added this particular approval process in any flow. That means in the back end, it is not going to run. I need to click on submit for approval. See here, submit for approval button is there. Previously, this button is not there. Right? So I have added this button, submit for approval. Just click on it, submit for approval. Please approve. Okay, click on submit. That's it. Opportunity was submitted for approval. Right? So now come down. If you come down, see here approval history. So view all. See opportunity request is submitted. So initially it is submitted. So comments are please approve. To whom I have submitted. Actual approval is Dhanraj admin. Assigned to Dhanraj admin. Okay. So to whom you can assign and actual approver. Actual approver is I have added in the approval process itself. Right? If you are manually assigning to someone means approval, so that option will be coming here. Right? Direct now itself, I have added Dhanraj admin, assignment is as Dhanraj admin, and actual approval. In the approval process itself, I have added Dhanraj admin. Right? That is why it is pending from the Dhanraj admin. So let's see this record is locked or not. Okay, let me go back to this opportunity. As I am admin, I can able to edit this. See here, edit option is there for me. Okay, for me, the edit option is there. So let me check in the light classic version. There you can see this locking of the record. Go to opportunity. Opportunity. Go to Burlington Textiles. If you see here, see the lock symbol is there. Right? For the remaining records, it will be not there. So Open Farmers Corporation of Florida. See here, the lock symbol will not be there. Okay. For whatever the record went for an approval. Right. So immediately the lock symbol will be there. So no pencil icon will be there. So inline edit is not there. See, we cannot edit directly. We cannot edit directly. Okay. If you click on this unlock record, so as I am admin, so I can edit the record. So see, there is an edit option is also there for me. Right? Directly, but inline edit will not be there. Inline edit will not be there. If you come down, see here, approval history. So as I am admin, so I am the Dhanraj admin, right? So I can approve or reject. See approval request submitted. Please approve. So I am approving this record. Now let's check. See approved. So this is the approved. This is the page which we have added fields. Opportunity owner, account name, amount, close date, discount percentage, right? So comments are approved. Let me approve this. So initially it is pending, right? Now come down. See here, approved, green symbol, approved. If you go up, so see here, the record is, this is a submit for approval button. Okay. So the record is now got approved. Okay. Now you can unlock the record and you can do the changes, whatever it may be. So if you go to approval process, if you come down, so there is an option, final approval and also lock the record from being edited. So no, I don't want to lock the record. I need to remove the off if it is approved, right? I need to be edit the record. Or if it is rejected, let's say if it is rejected, see here, unlock the record for editing. So if you can change options. So if you want to unlock the record means directly edit this. So unlock the record for editing, save it. Now go back to our opportunity. See, as of now, it is approved, but still it is in locking stage only. Okay, just refresh the screen. The lock symbol, see here. Still it is in approved, right? Okay. Okay. Let me again go for one more opportunity. Let me show you. If it is approved, it gets unlocked. That is what I have given here. See, final approved. If it is approved means unlock the record for editing. Okay. Let me go back. Open Farmers Corporation, Florida. Here, edit this. Discount percentage is 6% I'm providing. And let me save this. Okay, there is an option submit for approval. Click on this submit for approval. Change to owner 2. Who is that owner? Training. Save it. Now come down. Click on submit for approval. The record does not meet the entry criteria. Initial submitters of any active approval process. Okay, see here. The initial submitter. That's the record does not meet the entry criteria. What is the entry criteria? Come down. Amount field. Amount field should not be null. So let's say I am providing the amount field and discount is not null, greater than 5%. Now save it. Now submit for approval. That's it. Come down. See here. Now the record is previously this option is not there. Right? So it is locked. Now as an admin, I am going to approve or reject. Okay. Let me approve. Okay. Approve it. Done. See here. Now the lock symbol is gone. So once it got approved, see green symbol is there. Right? Approved. If it is rejected means red symbol will be there. Rejected. Okay. So after approval, the record gets unlocked. Okay, this is the we can manage locking and unlocking for approval and rejected options. But for initial submission, there is no option. But for initial submission, there is no option. Obviously, the record is mandatorily it is locked. Right? It is locked initially. There is no option to edit it. There is only option for approval and rejected only we can edit it. That means we can lock or unlock. For recall and for submission, initial submission, there is no option for us to lock or unlock. For initial submission, it is going to lock. For recall, it is going to unlock. That's it. Hope you understand, right? So if you are having any doubts at any point of time, just mention in the comment section. I'm going to respond to those comments. Okay. So that's it for today. Keep following this channel for the latest updates. Thank you.